Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this creepy look in Drenched and Press for horror theme. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hair, you can choose this here and then you're going to color it with this color. This is from the masculine hair, and then you're going to combine it with this straight hair. You're going to make it this color and then put on this item guys. And for this item, you're going to make it this color and choose toggle 3, and then you're going to put on this item and make it toggle 2 and then apply this pattern, and then put on this horn. This is from the VIP room, and apply this pattern. And then you're going to put on this mask, and then you're going to make it white color for the first selection and red for the second and also the third selection. Okay, and then you're going to color your body with this black color, don't forget. And then the next one, I'm going to put on this item, and then I'm going to apply this pattern and put on this gloves, remove the fur and apply this pattern. And then I'm going to put on this pant, make it type 3, and I'm going to apply this pattern. And then this the sock, we're going to apply red and make it high striped socks and make it red for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this knife. We're going to make it high, and then we're going to apply this pattern for the second selection to create bloody effect, and go to the dressing room. And I'm going to go to this menu and put on this dress, and then I'm going to make it all red. Okay, and wait, I'm going to change it to skirt, and then we're going to put on this skirt and apply this pattern. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to the VIP room. Okay, and from here I'm going to put on this jellyfish skirt and we're going to make it red. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this item, this top and then we're going to color it with this red color. Okay guys, now it's done, and finally you will have this creepy look in Drenched and Press. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.